Hey everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you enjoy watching this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe, hit that bell so you don't miss a video every Friday. Today I'm doing a quick, easy, budget-friendly dresser makeover. No painting or staining, just taking it down to its raw beauty, doing a light wash and freshening up the existing hardware. I picked this up on Facebook Marketplace together with a shorter one. It's a solid wood construction and a well-made piece of furniture. And I'm excited to get started, so let's get right into the video. First, I removed the hardware and kept them all together in a Ziploc bag for later. I've been known for misplacing them, so this helps me to stay organized. Of course, the next thing I do is clean. After applying a generous amount of TSP solution to the entire unit, I gave it a good scrubbing. Today's makeover is one of the easiest ways to give new life to your dresser or any wooden furniture you want to refinish. Only thing is, you want to make sure you have a piece that's real or solid wood. If you're not sure how to tell the difference between real and fake wood, I did a video a few weeks ago that would help you. I'll put a link in the description so you can watch it later. Next, I started with 80 grit sandpaper to remove the existing finish. And since I only have an orbital sander, I hand sanded the corners and crevices with a sanding sponge. After sanding for quite a while and still on the first drawer, I had an idea. I've used this Minwax furniture refinisher before and had a little bit left, so I thought maybe I'll try it and see if it would save me some time. I'm leaving this particular clip in real time just so that you guys can see just how fast and easy this was. This drawer took 2.5 minutes. Not only was this turning out to be a much faster option, it did a better job reaching into those corners. Here are the two little drawers completed next to the drawer I sanded earlier, which as you can see, I was having a hard time getting into those corners, so I used the stripper and cleaned it up. Actually, if I had thought of this at first, I would have saved time not just on sanding that first drawer, but also on cleaning the entire piece. Anyways, I'm just glad I thought of it early enough so I can finish the dresser a lot faster. Look at how beautiful the natural wood is. I went ahead and completed the rest of it in less than an hour. This is like a magic eraser, but you have to do this outside and wear a mask. The smell is very strong and you want to make sure you're using rubber gloves and not latex gloves. This stuff eats right through that. I learned that the hard way a couple months ago when I first used this. You also want to have a rag on hand, a glass bowl, and a pack of these steel wool scrubbers. I probably went through about 8 of them doing this dresser. I'll put links in the description to all these items if you want to try it yourself. At this point, I had an idea that maybe I can showcase different tones of this wood. Instead of it being all the same, I wanted to bleach the frame pieces around the drawer fronts. I think it would be fun to have varying tones just to add some visual interest to the finish. So I got some bleach and a little stencil brush and went ahead and applied it in those areas. I left it overnight to completely dry out and now it's time to mix the wash. I'm using what I have on hand. This is the same paint color I use as the base on the faux wood finish that I do. Adding 4 parts water to a teaspoon of paint. With one cloth, I apply the wash and with another, I wipe it back right away. When doing a wash, you can leave it on as long or as little as you want before wiping it back. It just depends on the look you're going for. For this project, I'm doing a light wash. I want to still preserve some of the natural wood color. I used General Finishes Lamp Black on the base and spray painted the hardware black. Then I went ahead and cleaned up the pulls using some Dawn dish soap. Once they were cleaned up, they were so gorgeous. The patina gold was absolutely stunning. I did consider using them like this, but I stuck with my plan to spray them black. It really was the best choice for this dresser. Okay, so it's a few days later. I started putting the hardware back on and noticed this. Everywhere I had added the bleach had these small black dots. And I have no idea why this happened. If you know, let me know in the comments. I was really upset, but I decided to go ahead and sand it back to see if I could remove it. And it worked, thank God. I was able to sand it completely to the original and quickly mix up a wash again and refinish them. Now, if these were not solid wood pieces, I may not have been able to sand it back as much as I had to. To seal the dresser, I used Jolie Finishing Wax in Clear. This is a protective sealing wax which gave it a beautiful matte finish, and the dresser is now super smooth when you pass your hands on it. And here she is. I absolutely love the way this dresser turned out. Although my idea didn't work out, it's beyond beautiful. And the mix of the wash with the natural wood color was exactly what I was going for. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this dresser makeover and you feel inspired to go try it yourself. See you next Friday. Bye.